Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the car, it's back from wherever we painted it at. So, paint looks amazing, turned out freaking awesome, but the color match not so well. As you can see, it looks a lot worse in the camera than it does in person. This panel was painted, this was not, this was not. So the color is definitely off. So, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna keep going with this thing. We will most likely, once we get this all put together, we will blend the door and the color will look better. So, well, like I said, as far as the paint job goes, no runs, nothing crazy. It's a freaking amazing paint job. Everything looks super nice, other than the color. It's gonna be all right. So today, what we got, we're gonna pull the windshield and the roof, as you remember in the last video, I'm sure you guys seen. So this whole car has been painted before, so that's probably why the color match doesn't really match very well. The paint is not the greatest on this car. The roof was peeling, you can kind of tell. I sanded it down a little bit. And what we're doing with the roof is we're gonna wrap the roof. We bought some wrap. We've never really wrapped anything. We've wrapped little things, but nothing this big. So we're gonna sand this down a little more, prep it for the wrap, and hopefully it turns out and looks cool. So let's get to work.
Okay guys, comment below what you guys think we should do with the wheels. What color should we change them to? Should we keep it like this gold color? You guys, I mean, they're kind of dirty right now, you can't tell, but it's a little, I don't know, like a darker gold color. Or should we change it to a different color? Comment below which color you guys think we should do. Okay, so we haven't really done this before, and the tools we're using are basically this knife with a razor blade. What is it called? What is this tool called?
EOTech, I don't know. Whatever that means.
Some kind of brand. But anyway, it's a little knife that goes underneath the glass. About 15 minutes later, or less, it's off. All that glue right there, gonna have to clean it up. And then we could start probably wrapping. How's it going over there?
It's going.
How is it for your first time? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Same here, doing the rail right here. We basically I've been only using like my hand, and he has a squeegee. Just a squeegee.
Scratching it.
It's not too bad, a couple scratches, but with your hand even, it's not too bad. It comes out pretty clean. I probably shouldn't be getting a close-up not to show the imperfections. You know, we're professionals. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video. It was our first time doing the wrap, and I mean, we're both kind of surprised how it turned out. I mean, for the most part, this thing looks mint. So, couple imperfections here and there, but you know, it's for the first time. I think this is a pretty good job. Not too bad. It looks good too. Can't wait to take it outside, like see it all put back together. So you guys make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. We are gonna get a new windshield here. You guys seen those cracked, and we're gonna put the front end together. So don't forget to comment below about the wheels. Like I said in the beginning of the video, which color you guys want to do, or which color you guys think we should do. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.